Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is for MOU Agriculture Engineering. We are still in Benue State, where farmers are making attempts on the proper cultivation of oil palm, Eliasis guineensis. Specifically, the most prevalent and profitable oil palm variety that is currently making waves in the market is a Tenera species that affords you both substantial amount of oil and good palm kernel nuts with high content of oil for processing. However, a lot of practices have still not been achieved to the proper extent to which it should be. That is talking about best management practices of oil palm. Now here is an oil palm tree on display. You can see all of those plant debris that have grown. This is to tell you that there was no proper screening. You can see the hanging palm fronds, which indicates that pruning has not been properly done. And even for those that have been pruned, they were pruned wrongly. The height is very wrong. And coming down to the base of the oil palm tree, you can see the palm fronds that were pruned or probably cut during the period of harvest, where instead of being put in a regular pattern away from the base of the tree, have all been aligned around the base of the tree. Now, one of the key criteria for determining that your oil palm bunches are ripe is the presence of a minimum of 3 to 5 loose fruits on the ground around the base of the tree. Now, with this kind of system, it becomes very difficult for the harvester to know if there are loose fruits on the ground or not. You see, this area may be exposed, but if it falls on this area, it may likely move into the gathering of the dried palm frond. So this practice is entirely wrong. There is supposed to be a 1 meter radius ring structure that is free of all of these debris and plant materials in order to expose loose fruits that fall to the ground. If you look again closely at the farm, it is not been planned to follow the standard spacing for oil palm trees, which is on a profit label kept at 9 meter by 9 meter triangulation method. You can see this one fell probably from a loose fruit and has been allowed to still grow. Likewise, a host of these other ones here. So it is advisable that a farmer going into oil palm cultivation, you should employ the services of agronomists or other professionals in the oil palm sector that will critically look at and plan how the oil palm estate is supposed to be and look like. Now, let's show you something very typical. Now you see this is two whole trees growing side by side. It is highly impossible for you to see these two guys do well, because their competition level will be very, very high. You can see this one has developing fruit bunches. You see this one on the other hand is just striving to follow behind with a lot of efforts and little or no positive results to write home about. And just less than 2 meters away from it is this one. Less than 3 meters away from it is this guy. And about 4 meters away from it is this other guy. 5 meters, this other one. Like that. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are going to oil palm cultivation, it's advisable you get the professionals to help you plan exactly how your farm, your oil palm estate is going to look like to achieve maximum yield, productivity, and profitability. This is for MOU Agriculture Engineering. Thank you.